Hey everyone, it's Thursday, February 12th. Still coughing. Can't wait to get past this. This is my weekly trade update for the swing trade ideas I post over the weekend. I got in Netflix, I got in Amazon. I wanted to go over a few others, but I'll hold them off for the weekend. I just can't fit it into this video. But maybe we'll see what happens. We'll peek at them real quick, maybe. So let's get started here. Please leave any questions or comments that you may have. They're really encouraging. I'm not a financial advisor, so anyway, here's Netflix. Got in Netflix. I've been trading last week. Got a couple of times. Got some puts on this line. This morning probably was the best one. Ended up getting taken out with a trailing stop. But got in yesterday at 79.63. I was out at 77.30. I was watching this gap, the top of this gap, which goes way back here, and was looking at it for some support, and that's what happened. It came to the gap almost, bounced. Now we're watching to see if price can push back up and get above the February pivot for an entry up, or if we just want to keep going down. We'll keep an eye on that. Amazon. All right, so Amazon, I got in this morning. I got in at 200, and right now price is at 199. But I wanted to show you this. We talked about it here, all right, and price went up and it hit the resistance area, and now it's pulling back. So it's really good to know your resistance and support areas. It's also good to know your fibs. Anyway, AMD, I'll just run these real quick. I'm not in them, but you can see. Talked about it here, came up, hit the resistance area, also the 0.618, and now it's coming back down. PLTR, it got above the 0.888, and it went for a little bit, and now it's come back down. I'm watching this. If it can't get through this gap, I may look at it below 128 for puts. Tesla, boy, I think I'm going to be able to do this video. Okay, Tesla, I was looking for a few dollars lower for an entry. I didn't get it, and we talked about it here. Price went up. It hit the February pivot, wicked into the February pivot. All right, Apple. Apple, these are all going to be on this weekend's watch list, but Apple, you can see we're coming back. We had gotten in here, and now we're coming back to this pivot area at 260.30. So we'll see what happens with that. And watch for this. I really like this. We'll see how the market does. Either breaks down or take an entry. All right, talk to you soon. Thanks for watching. If you haven't hit the follow button, make sure you do so you can keep up with all my trades, and I'll see you later.